Welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I have some laundry motivation and a tidy up in my living room. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I like to wash my clothes and then sit down and watch TV as I fold. What is the way you guys like to do it? Leave me a comment below and let me know how you guys like to do your laundry. I hate folding, so me sitting down watching some TV shows is what kind of motivates me, and it gives me some time to catch up on some old TV shows. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Jacqueline. I'm so glad that you guys decided to check out my channel. I like to do cleaning motivations, some power hours, and in the future I'm hoping to do some DIY projects and share with you guys. We have been working on our she shed, so I haven't been really posting a lot of videos here. I try to do Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. I'm going to try to get my best to get back. I have been sick for a few weeks now and I'm just trying to get my energy back up. But I'm so sorry guys that I haven't been posting. I know I should be. I've just not been feeling too well. So I hope you guys forgive me. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I hope you guys will enjoy this clean with me. And if you do subscribe, please leave a comment below so that I can get to know you and thank you personally. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I do want to let you guys know that I had videoed this right before the kids went on their winter break for Christmas. So this was filmed at the beginning of December. I'm going to go ahead and put up my hanging clothes, and after I get done with this, I'm going to take care of Jean and Logan's clothes. I'm going to put them on the dining table and put Ryder's clothes into his room. Right here, I'm going to put on one of my aprons that I have. This one is a vintage one that I had found at a thrift store a long time ago. It's hand stitched. I used to use a lot of aprons when I cleaned. I always thought it was so cute and feminine, and I think I'm going to start bringing that back. Here I am sharing with you guys what I am eating for lunch. I am having a BLT, and for my type of bacon that I'm using is tempeh, and it's the teriyaki. I like to just grill it here. It tastes really good. I think it's like 16 grams of protein. I'm not 100% sure. I should go check. But I'm using vegan mayonnaise. It's a vegan type of mayonnaise and some day bread and some lettuce and tomatoes. Anybody make goals this year? What are some of your guys' things that you guys would like to tackle? One of my goals is to be consistently on YouTube, and I right now gotta tell you I have failed that already. Being only 3 weeks into January, I have just been so busy, exhausted from being sick and everything. But I plan on getting on track, and it's okay if you guys started at the beginning and you kind of dropped off. It's just about getting back in and getting it done. So I'm going to try to be consistent on my videos. It's kind of hard when you just don't have the motivation to get doing this. And I'm also doing another challenge, a weightlifting challenge. So it's been taking a lot out of me. But I'm excited to do this, guys. And if you guys have any goals, let me know what goal you guys are working towards. Leave it in the comments below. What a yummy sandwich. I'm going to go ahead and snack on this, and then we're going to go into Ryder's room and put away his laundry. And after that, we're going to end up moving into our living room slash cozy room. As I was putting away Ryder's clothes, I decided to go ahead and make his bed just to get everything ready before his therapist comes. Today we have Michelle. She is our respite care. She also does help things out with Ryder around the house. But I just want to go ahead and put clean sheets and everything. I always thought it would be nice to not have dirty sheets when someone comes into a bedroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this for Ryder. I use Ryder's closet as a pantry closet since we don't really have too many space here. So I'm going to be adding these pull-ups and toilet paper here in his closet to help out. And then I'm going to go tackle my cleaning closet a little bit. Lately, I've been making a coffee mess right here when I make my husband's coffee in the morning. I think I've just been so tired and exhausted that I'm not really taking my time. I'm just rushing through things. So I gotta clean up the coffee grounds right here. Right here, I'm moving the things that I had above my fireplace because this is part of the Christmas tree that we had cut, and I want to make fires this year, and I felt like it would be a little dangerous having this dry tree branches above the fire, so I decided to go ahead and just stick it here above my china hutch. I think it turned out really lovely, and I'm just gonna put my vintage oil lamps and any Christmas cards that I get this year on the fireplace.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same.
Now we're decided to move into the cozy room. Lately we have been listening to this record player that I had gotten at a thrift store. We've been listening to a lot of Kenny Rogers because Ryder loves him. I'm going to go ahead and put on some Christmas music. There is a little bit of the Christmas music that I am listening to. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
In the city, ring a ring, ring a ring, hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas.
I have been enjoying this record player lately. I've just been sitting around in my cozy room or in my bedroom and playing this. I know my husband likes to listen to some of the music as he is in the game room. It's just been so nice having this.
Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same.
I am moving my money tree away from the back door. I feel like the cold wind is hitting it every time we open it, and it's starting to dry out my tree. So I don't want to kill it, and I wanted to keep it away from my heaters. I also move it away from this area, and I put it towards the back door in the corner, and a little bit you'll see that.
Everything except my name, we will still be Friday, 'cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
After I pretty much got done moving this, I ended up quick cleaning, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.